Imagine stepping inside a single one of your cells. It's not an empty blob of jelly, but a bustling, microscopic city. This city is run by a system of membrane-bound compartments called organelles, each with a specific job, all working in perfect harmony. The story of cellular activity often starts in the nucleus, the city's command center. It houses our DNA, the master blueprint for everything. When the cell needs to make a specific protein, a hormone for example, the relevant instructions are copied. This molecular message is then sent out through heavily guarded gateways in the nuclear wall called nuclear pores. The message travels to the endoplasmic reticulum, a vast interconnected network of membranes. The rough part of this network is studded with ribosomes, the cell's tireless protein factories. They read the instructions and assemble the protein, which is threaded inside the ER to be folded and modified. Once built, the protein is packaged into a tiny bubble and shipped to the Golgi apparatus, the cell's post office. Here it gets final modifications, is sorted, and is tagged with a molecular zip code. The Golgi then packages it into another vesicle, ready for its final destination, whether that's inside the cell or for export. This entire production line is powered by mitochondria, the tireless power plants generating cellular energy. And any cellular waste or worn-out parts are broken down and recycled by lysosomes, the city's sanitation crew. It's this intricate, coordinated dance of organelles that allows a single cell to perform the countless functions that keep us alive.